I will then.
I will. Love you guys.
Emery, look.
Oh, hey, I'll send you a picture of the boat if we have one later. Okay. Bye. Love you, bye.
Where we going today, boys?
Look, Emery, the food is to look at the boat.
You can let it down, jump into the river, baby. Easy as it sounds, never quite as easily done.
Are you ready to go look at the boat?
Yes.
Okay, let's go look at the boat.
I'm gonna say it's a good deal.
Right?
Okay, take into account that it's all about a change.
You a little anxious to go boating? Tonight you're 3. Tomorrow you're gonna be 4.
And for my next birthday.
5.
It's race cars!
Oh my gosh, a lot of them. How many?
Ooh.
Those will go down to the grandpa track.
It's Foxy! It's a watch, I said.
Fit.
I wonder how many steps you get.
Is this for me? You got an Apple TV. Wow!
There's Sky and Zuma.
This again?
It's a camera.
He's never seen a camera like that. Oh, cool. No, he just knows about phones.
Right?
It's like Daddy's camera. You can make movies and take pictures.
All kinds of stuff.
Yep.
Whoa! Look at this guy!
It's gonna be good.
Oh no.
Happy birthday to you. No. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Davey. No. Happy birthday to you.
I want my mommy back.
What's happening?
Is that all your present?
Check out this cake.
That was so cute.
Oh, cool.
Those little rocks are even.
Yeah, I like the rubble.
Here, 1 second.
Oh yeah, thanks. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Davey. Happy birthday to you. Oh, thanks. Now you make a wish for your whatever you want, your biggest wish, and then blow them out. Good job!
Happy birthday,
Happy
4-year-old.
birthday.
Now you'll get your wish.
You're possibly.
Yeah, that's true.
I can get these out.
Yep.
Here, Mom.
Now, no more growing up. This is the end of the growing
As
up.
big as you get to get.
I agree with you on that one.
said that last year too.
Are you excited? You were just way more excited a minute ago before I hit record.
What?
He was way more excited a minute ago.
About what? Boat?
He was like, we're going to fishing and it's my birthday! And then I hit record and then he was like, yeah.
I'm excited to go swimming.
I'm excited to go fishing.
All right, let's do this. Wait, no, don't go in there. You're so excited? For what? The boat ride on your birthday?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Davey.
Boat rides are always on birthdays.
Oh, boat rides are always on birthdays? I agree. They are for you. We can find out. JJ gets to drive the boat. I'm just here and I'm afraid to switch seats with you right now.
Right? Go guys.
Oh God. Excited, Em? What?
You said that we could swim.
We will be able to swim after we're done boating if you want to.
You might be swimming to pull us home, Em.
Oh God, what did we get ourselves into? Hey, it's making a noise. It started kind of.
Hey guys, we're going to that dog.
Wish I could have $1 for how many times I've been right in my life.
What'd you say? That this wasn't gonna work?
Mainly with you. Like I could make some mortgage payments on it.
Bob, we were gonna go to that dock.
We will go to that dock now. Driving, Davey? Are you driving?
Motor doesn't work, dude.
You can let it down, jump into the river, baby. Easy as it sounds, never quite as easily done. The current has us now, it's okay.
Did you still have fun even though the boat broke?
Yeah. And now you can still play with awesome toys.
Yep. It's now probably around 11 p.m. I'm letting him stay up.
Yeah.
Because it's your birthday. And he's still playing.